The video you're watching right now was created from a single image. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to turn any high-quality image into a realistic talking video using HeyGen. The result is smooth, professional, and usable for YouTube, social media, or client work. This is not a sponsored video. I personally tested this tool, and I'm actively using it for my own content. Step 1. Prepare your image. Before you open HeyGen, you need a high-quality image. Here's what matters. Image resolution must be clear and sharp. Choose the correct aspect ratio based on your video format. Vertical for Shorts, horizontal for YouTube. The face in the image should be front-facing with good lighting. Background should be clean or relevant to your content. I created my image using an AI tool called Nano Banana Pro. You can use any image generator or even a real photo. Just make sure the quality is good. Step 2. Open HeyGen. Go to HeyGen's website. HeyGen is not a free tool. You get 3 test videos for free, but for real use, you'll need a paid plan. 2 main plans. Creator plan, good for starting out. Pro plan, more videos, more features. Check the description for the pricing link if you want to compare. Step 3. Create your avatar. Once you're inside HeyGen, go to the left sidebar and click on Avatar. You'll see 2 options. Photo or video, select photo. Upload your prepared image. Give your avatar a name. Click Create. Your avatar is now ready to use. Step 4. Start creating your video. Click on Create at the top. Select Create in AI Studio. You'll see the main dashboard. This is where everything happens. Step 5. Configure your video settings. On the left side, you'll see the script box. Type your script here, or upload an audio file if you already have one. Below that, select your video size based on where you'll post it. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts. Step 6. Customize voice and subtitles. HeyGen has a built-in voice library. Click on Voice in the left panel. Browse through available voices and select one that fits your content. Enable subtitles if you want automatic captions. This is highly recommended for retention. You can also adjust subtitle style, font, and position. Step 7. Add background music, optional. If you want background music, scroll down in the left panel. Click on Background Music. Choose from HeyGen's library or upload your own track. Keep the volume low so it doesn't overpower the voice. Step 8. Preview and generate. Before you generate the final video, click Preview to see how it looks. Check the lip sync, voice, and timing. Make adjustments if needed. Once you're satisfied, click Generate. Processing time depends on video length, usually 2 to 5 minutes. The output is a fully rendered video with your avatar speaking your script. The lip sync is accurate, the voice sounds natural, and the video quality is high enough for professional use. You can download it directly and upload it to any platform without additional editing. HeyGen subscription is worth it if you create content regularly. The time you save compared to filming and editing makes it a solid investment. Link is in the description. Try the free credits first and see if it fits your workflow. If this helped, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.